What is up, YouTube? Today, so in this video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be changing the spark plugs on this 2007 Ford Mustang. This applies to the 05 through 09. I believe the 10 as well. I'm not completely sure, but it works to 05 through 09. So stay tuned and check it out. Thank you. Alright, what's up, guys? Right now we're going to change the spark plugs. The tools you're going to need is a 3/8 ratchet. You're going to need a socket. It's a 9 and 16th. See right there. And you're gonna need a 7mm socket. It's like the ignition coil. You need extension as well. If you want, it's not necessarily, it's not required, but it's better to get a torque wrench. You can torque it right to the right specs and everything. Most people probably don't use it, but I just got one for the fuck of it, just to be extra, on the safe side. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, to get started, you don't necessarily need to disconnect the negative side of the battery. If you want just to be extra cautious, you can, but I'm not gonna do that. So the first thing you gotta do, you gotta take off this clip, just like this little thing you have to push in, a little clip, and just pull, and it should come right off like so. And then there's this bolt right there. Let me get a better one. With this bolt, take out the wire, this bolt, and that's gonna be it. So go ahead and loosen it, and then let's get it started. And just go ahead and pull on it. And then you're gonna need the extension. To get the socket, the spark plug socket, and the extension I told you guys about earlier. That was kind of loose. Take that off. So get a little bit better view. Right there. So this spark plug's pretty messed up, you can see. This is the new fresh one. So I just got some spark plug boot lubricant. So I'm gonna go ahead and lube it up with here and be back. So you can go ahead and just put that spark plug in the socket, get the extension, make sure it doesn't fall off, and you're good.
What are you doing?
Okay, once that is all the way, it's pretty tightened, you're gonna go ahead, torque it to 25 pounds torque. There we go, and that's good. ignition. And so that's good already. You gotta take out the socket. Sometimes it's gonna be kind of not stuck, but on the spark plug, it's gonna kind of. It's because this extension's kind of messed up. I messed it up another time I was working on my car. There we go. And that's it. So all we're gonna do is just put the ignition coil back on. There we go. Put that little bolt back on. Adios. So what I'm gonna do is keep turning that. And there we go. And so it's a pretty easy job to do everything like that. You just take out that 7mm bolt, disconnect this, take out the ignition coil, take out the spark plug, and lube it up if you want. If you decide to, if not, it's fine. And just put it back there, torque it down to 25 pounds, and that's it. Just put it back the ignition coil, connect the wire, and tighten the bolt. It's a pretty good job. So all I'm gonna do right now is gonna set the camera down and just replace all the spark plugs right now.